today welcome to another video, guys. Today we're gonna be making this hair. All right, remember the gift I won from Borious DIY? So I'm gonna be using that hair to make box braid. I already have a video of spring twist or bump twist on my channel where I made spring twist for myself and also for my kids. Okay, so if you haven't watched it, please go and watch that video. I'll put a link, okay, so you'll be able to watch it. Okay, so the plan I have for this hair is to make box braid out of it. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing, guys, I will be doubling it up. So this is what one hair look like. So I will double the hair and I will make box braid out of it. Okay, guys, so I'm excited to see what the outcome will look like, because you know, for spring twist it's always like tiny or medium size braids that you make with spring twist. Okay, so guys, if today is your first time coming across my video, please consider subscribing. Okay, my name is Grace, and you know, on here on YouTube I'm known as Luxe Mom TV. Okay, so if you're interested in this hair, keep watching. So guys, I already partitioned the back of the hair like so. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the back of the hair. So let's go, guys. So this is one hair. Open it up like so. Open it up, then I'm gonna get another one, get a second one. Borious really did a good job with this hair. It looks so pretty. Okay, so make sure the hair is even, okay, or at least equal by the time you stretch it out. All right, so let me go now and add this one. So I'll grip this one now. Okay, then start to twist. Okay, so I'll be twisting in the direction of the hair. Okay, so just to, can you see, guys, what I'm doing? So guys, this is my very first one I completed. Okay, it looks so nice, not bad at all. At least it's on shoulder length. It's not bad at all. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so guys, I'm going to continue doing this hair and I'll be right back. So guys, it's not easy making your hair by yourself. It's not easy at all. My hand have been aching me. So this is how far I've gone so far. Okay, that's the back of it. This is the side. So I'm just gonna continue doing it. I'm loving it so far, you know, I'm loving it. Yes, so I'm gonna continue doing it. So I'll show you when I'm almost done with the whole head. Okay, so guys, this is the next day. I'm almost done with the hair. Okay, so I like how chunky it came out. See how chunky it is? I like it so much. So I'm gonna be laying the edges down with some gel. Okay, so I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. So I'll finish up and I will show you the final look. Okay, guys, I hope you can try this. You know, just double up your hair, okay, and it will give you this chunky look. I like it. I really love it. Okay, guys, I'll show you the final look in a bit. Okay, so guys, I'm completely done. Okay, this is all the hair, what it looks like. So I'm just gonna take some mousse. I'm gonna take some mousse and just put on top of it just to give it some extra hold. The hair is so light, guys. It's not heavy at all, even though, you know, I doubled it up to make it chunky. Okay, it's not heavy at all. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go in with my smooth and hold pudding and just put that around the edges so I can slick my edges down. So I'm gonna get the edge brush and just brush it all down. Okay, so just brush it in like so. My hair will usually not slick down, so I don't have those nice hair that will slick down. Okay, and the gel I use is a gel that will not flake, so I like using that gel because it doesn't flake on me, so that's why I like it. I just put it on the edges like so, then I use a little scarf and just, you know, wrap around it so it can slick down. So I'll give it a few minutes so the edges can slick down. So guys, let's take the headscarf off now. You know, I'll see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like finally. Okay, it's not bad at all. It's not bad, it's not bad at all. I love it, guys. I really love it. So let me just spray some hair oil to give it some sheen. Okay, guys, that is it. This is the hair, guys. It looks so beautiful. It looks so pretty. You see, I like that chunky yeah, how chunky it is. I like it. So this is the back, the side. This is the back of it, guys. It looks so nice. So this is the other side, and here's the front. So if I want to wear it up, I think I should be able to wear it up as well, but I'm just going to be wearing it like this for now. Okay, all right, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And I also want to thank my friend Borious DIY. Thank you for this beautiful hair. Okay, thank you, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.